Guys, it's Lana Leo, and today I am with Glitch Cookie. We are gonna be teaching you guys how to do the home button glitch. So, why don't you get on the catapult? Look. Don't do this. Don't catapult your friends in real life. It's only because it's Morgan. Launch. So guys, let's go into the center bone. Here we go. I'll let Glitch get this one. Glitch, you want to get in here real fast before I do the glitch and get some wax?
Yeah.
Well, looks like she's doing it first. We are not gonna... Oh, look, my headphones are working! Hell yeah! I love this thing. Look at them. They look so cool on me. Oh. Glitch, hey, I'm gonna need some light here so I could do the glitch. I'm gonna need to fill up real fast. So, guys, oh, this is perfect. Here, how you do the home button glitch is you're gonna wanna get caught by the krills. And it's actually really fun if you know how to do it properly. You can do it pretty fun. Very fast. We're gonna look. Oh, Glitch! Bruh! Glitch, you okay? Here, Glitch, I'm gonna need some light. Oh, Glitch, you messed up. You messed up, Glitch. Here, Glitch, I'll help. Here, I'll refill your light. Hey, Glitch. Glitch, here, I'll refill you. Here, wait. We are both really good at this game. And first thing I must say, don't go around trying to get attacked by giant monsters. It's not okay. And I don't think you want to. Wait, Glitch, I need more light, Glitch. Here's how you do it. By the way, I'll let Glitch do that again for a channel. We're doing a collaboration here. So, yeah. Come on, you have to leave me hanging? Jeez. At least give me a biscuit. It's kind of scary. I'm gonna need some light, Glitch. Here, let's share some light. Hey, Glitch, do you want... Here. Here, Glitch. Glitch? You ready? Alright. Let's go. So, guys, how you do the home button glitch will be explained right now. First of all, get caught. You go here into settings and do this home. But it has to be the home in the settings. Oh, we left. And check this out. Oh, we got launched pretty far. But look, we didn't lose not one level. 43, we still have 43. Here, oh, I have to rename her. Her original name was going to be Sky Cookie, but here. Let's do something. Alright, there we go. Glitch Cookie. There we go. Well, that's certainly not good. Go here, and check this out.
Frick.
Hey! We'll TP. Hey, here. Let's stay somewhere safe. Up here, maybe. Up here sounds pretty good. Guys. Oh, what's that? Time to do a little montage. Okay.
We're doing a montage by the way I'm voicing the music. We're doing a montage for the very first time. I'm voicing the music. We're doing a video with Glitch Cookie. Subscribe to her channel. Please subscribe to her channel. Sub to her channel.